Que lo que mi gente, welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. On this episode we are making Manhattan Clam Chowder. Let's go over the ingredients. I am using 4 cans of clams, 2 cans of baby clams. I drained most of the clam juice out. However, I saved 1 cup of clam juice. I have 2 cups of water, olive oil, 1 cup of tomato sauce. I have 12 cherry tomatoes, 3 sweet peppers, and 1 jalapeno pepper, black pepper, 1 chicken cube, Sazon, Adobo. I am using about half a pound of potatoes, or about 4 potatoes, 3 celery stems, 3 large carrots, 1 large onion, and everything has been cut in small pieces, about 1 inch. I am using 2 cups of sofrito. That's about 4 spoons of sofrito. I also have a sofrito recipe. If you want to check it out and learn how to make sofrito, I will make sure that I put it in the description down below. And one last thing that we're putting in is some hot sauce once the soup is done. I have my Instant Pot on saute. Should be pretty hot by now. Let's sprinkle some olive oil. And my 2 Sofrito Cubes. Saute the Sofrito Cubes for a couple of minutes, and everything else can go in with the exception of the hot sauce. So I am also using 2 bay leaves. Let's go ahead and put in 1 cup of clam juice. 2 cups of water. So I put all the ingredients in. Now I change the settings to manual for 20 minutes, and the clam chowder would be done by then. Hey guys, so it has been 20 minutes and our Manhattan clam chowder is done. Let's see what it looks like. It smells great. This is our chunky clam chowder. And at this point you can add your hot sauce. Let's see what the clam chowder tastes like. So good. Hey guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the recipes. And see you guys next time. Bye.